How to add friends in Apex Legends. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Origin launcher and select the Friends menu at the top. Then choose Add Friend from the drop-down menu. Now enter the Origin username, actual name or email addresses in the box. Then click on Search to receive results based on the criteria entered. Now locate the friend in the search results and click on View Profile option available there. Now confirm you have the correct person, then click on Send Friend Request while in their profile. The request confirmation gets displayed showing friend request sent on their profile page. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.